On the previous episode, I edged my garden and tackled the weeds. On this episode, I plant wasabi, a fig tree, and peppers. Walking through a local plant nursery, I noticed they had a couple of wasabi plants for sale. A rare and unique find, I couldn't pass up the opportunity. Wasabi is known for being one of the hardest plants to grow commercially, as it has very specific moisture requirements. Commercial greenhouses actually grow them in water with no soil. Knowing this, I knew the perfect spot to plant it in my yard. I have a patch of ground on the north side of my house that never sees sun and is always damp. After a simple hole was dug and the wasabi was in the ground, it's time to plant the fig tree. For the fig, I waited until the end of the day so I could see where the sun's light would hit the ground. Ideally, the more light you can give the fig tree, the better. This fig tree variety doesn't grow very tall, something like 8 feet at max height. After digging the hole, I mixed some worm castings, azomite or rock dust, which is linked below, and compost as a nutrient-rich soil mixture that would start this tree off right. Next, I put peppers in the ground in front of my tomatoes. Here I'm planting a mixture of bell, sweet, and hot peppers. Looking back, the tomatoes overwhelmed my peppers and I shouldn't have planted them here. Tomatoes are ruthless space hogs and end up crowding out the light for some of these peppers. With everything now in the ground, future videos will be garden updates tracking the progress of these plants. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and have a great day.